A very good morning to all of you. I hope that you and your family are safe. Children, in the last class, I told you about input devices. In this video, I am going to tell you about output devices. What is output devices? The device through which computer give result to the user is known as output devices. The device which is used by computer to give result to the user is known as output devices. Through input devices we can give instruction to the computer, but through output devices computer give us result, right? There are different types of output devices. The most common output devices are monitor, speaker, printer, plotter. Let's have a look one by one. Monitor. This is a monitor figure. A monitor is the most common output devices of a computer. It looks like a TV screen. What you see on the screen is a reflection of what is happening inside the computer and your program. A computer monitor is an electronic device that shows picture for computers, right? Means the CPU uses the monitor to show us photos, movies and games. Whatever we do, it shows on the screen, right? There are different types of monitor. CRT monitor. This is a CRT monitor. The full form of CRT is cathode ray tube. LCD monitor. This is a LCD monitor. The full form of LCD is liquid crystal display. LED monitor. It is LED monitor. The full form of LED is liquid emitting diode. Speaker. It is a speaker image. Speaker are one of the most common output devices used with the computer system. Everyone know what is the use of a speaker? Yes, it is used to listen music, audio and songs, etc. with the help of computer. Printer. A printer is used to print text and pictures from the computer onto paper. Means with the help of printer you can take print from the computer. A hard copy is a printed copy of information from a computer. When you take print on a paper, this is known as hard copy because you can feel and touch this copy, right? Whereas a soft copy is a document saved on a computer. Soft copy is a electronic format of information. You can just see, you cannot touch the soft copy, right? Soft copy is the electronic version of a document which can be opened and edited using a software program. You can change soft copy with the help of software program, just like MS Word, Notepad, etc. Types of computer. Types of printers. Printers can be classified into two broad categories. Impact printer, non-impact printer. What is impact printer? Impact printer are printers which works by creating a direct impact between ink ribbon and paper. Means in the impact printer there is direct connection between the ink ribbon and the paper, right? Impact printer have different types. Most common impact printer are dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, line printer, non-impact printer. A non-impact printer, in this type of printer there is no direct connection between ink ribbon and the paper. right? There are also different types. Inkjet printer, laser printer, and thermal printer, right? I repeat once again. Impact printer are in the impact printer there are direct connection between the papers and the ink ribbon. पेपर और जो प्रिंटिंग हेड होता है उसमें डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन होता है इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर में. Whereas in the non-impact printer there is no direct connection between ink ribbon or printing head to the between and the paper, right? It is a dot matrix printer. It is used, you can see it on the railway station. It is used to print the reservation ticket, right? Dot matrix printer. It is a daisy wheel printer. This is a line printer. Inkjet printer. Guess it? Yes, it is a laser printer. And it is a thermal printer, right? Okay. Next. Plotter. What is a plotter? This is a plotter. A plotter is a special types of printer used for producing high quality graphs or diagram. Plotter is a special types of printer which is used for high quality printing diagram, right? It is used by engineers, architects and map makers to print plan of buildings, diagram of machine or large scale maps, right? Basically it is used for engineers and engineers architecture, right? The plotters are used by engineers and map makers to print plans of building, diagram of machine or large scale maps, right? I hope you are getting my points. Thanks and stay home, stay safe.